Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Polkadot from Binance to Bitmart in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your assets safely and efficiently. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and Bitmart. You'll need some DOT tokens in your Binance wallet, and don't forget to enable two-factor authentication for extra security. It's 2025, and crypto hacks are still a thing. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Head over to the Wallets section and select Spot Wallet or Funding Wallet, where your DOT is stored. Once you're there, click on Withdraw next to the Polkadot asset. Step 2. You'll need to enter the withdrawal details. In the Address field, paste your Bitmart deposit address. Pro tip: double-check that you're using the correct network. Polkadot should be on the Polkadot network to avoid any lost funds. If you're unsure, go to Bitmart, log in, and find your wallet address under the Deposit option. Step 3. Enter the amount of you want to send. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary but are usually minimal. Review everything carefully, then hit Confirm, and complete the two-factor authentication if prompted. After you initiate the transfer, it might take a few minutes to an hour for the tokens to appear in your Bitmart wallet, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your email or app notifications for confirmation. Once it's done, log back into Bitmart and check your wallet. Your DOT should be there. Always verify transactions on a blockchain explorer like Polkadot's official site to ensure everything went smoothly. That's it for this quick guide. Sending crypto might seem intimidating, but with these steps, you're good to go. If you run into any issues, reach out to the exchange's support or drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.